So I'm going to pot my onions because they're too close together, so I'm thinning them out. I had red onions here on this side, and on this side I have, I think they're white, white onions. So I took the red onions out, and I'm going to repot them here so they have more space before I plant them in the ground, because we still, I don't think they're big enough, and we still have some frost dates. Like last night it was 28, so I'm gonna pot them up here, so stay tuned for that. Okay, got a little stick here. I'm just gonna make a little hole. Let's use this little thing. They got long roots on them, and it's a bunch. I don't know how many it is, but it's a lot. So maybe they can go on the ground, but I don't want to chance it because I put some in there earlier and they died. So we're gonna wait another week or so, 2 weeks. And I fertilized this soil, put some worm castings, nitrogen, blood meal, bone meal, which is where I want to put my hands in here, and some old bird poop. And they're building a house across the street, so if you can hear the construction people, yeah. Trying to give them some room. But I'm gonna get one right there. Just make sure you get the roots under the ground pretty good, in the soil rather. And we're not planting above this white part there. So if you put them down too far, just pull them up a little bit, so that they're okay. And you can tell these are the red ones because they got the red on them, and that one does not, but these have red, so this may have a cross seed because I did put both in one pot, so could have crossed over. My goal is just to thin them out so that they're not root bound when I go to pull them out to plant them. And it may have been okay, but yeah. I felt like they were not. And I want to grow about 100 onions. I'm going to dehydrate and freeze just so I can have some like once the winter is gone. So I'm going to succession plant. So after I get these in the soil, I'm going to put more seeds back in that container that they were in. That's the name of the game. Have some for later and to share. Or sell if you're into selling produce. I'm just going to go around the perimeter first. Seems like that's a bit easier than what I was doing. Make sure my soil was good and moist. Don't need that. It's big pieces or chunks or being gentle with the roots. Trying to get them deep. Which increases their chance of success. I can get over here. better, like doing a little tunnel circular motion. Alright. Just got a few more left. Alright, that's it for the red. So I'm going to put that in there so we know that these are the red ones. And then we're going to water it in just a little bit more to make sure. And that is it, guys. I have 2 pots in here, so it's punch the drain hose so the water can run down in the bottom. Just for this repotting process. And I'm going to set them up there to perk back up. They might go into shock, but they should be okay in about a day or 2. And if it gets cold tonight, again, then I have to bring them in the house. But I think they'll be okay. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.